Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the lock screen. Then let's tap on the sleep option, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options like 15 or 30 seconds, and almost at the bottom we've got 10 minutes, which is the longest time option in this device. We can also set never, which means that your device will never black out automatically. You will have to do it manually just by pressing the power button here. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 10 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.